Indulge in this exquisite recipe for pistachio cherry mochi. Begin by combining rice flour, powdered sugar, cornstarch, vegetable oil, water, and cherry juice. Cook over medium heat until a sticky dough forms, then let it cool wrapped in plastic. For the cherry confit, heat cherry puree. Whisk in sugar mixed with pectin. Boil for a minute, then add citric acid. Freeze in 3 cm molds. Next, whip cream cheese, trimoline, pistachio paste, powdered sugar, and heavy cream into a fluffy frosting. Pipe into 5 cm molds. Add frozen cherry center and freeze. Finally, roll dough, cut circles, add frozen filling, seal, and chill. Check the description for full details.